Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the quick and easy process of changing your driver's outfit and customizing your character's personal style in Forza Horizon 6. To start updating your look, you will need to leave the open-world road network and drive directly into any of your unlocked player houses scattered across the map, or simply fast travel straight to the main festival site hub. Once you slide inside the central garage menu interface, navigate over to the dedicated Player Customization tab located on the far right of your screen. From here, click on the Customize Character tile to bring up the full virtual wardrobe selection panel. You can freely browse through a massive catalog of clothing items, including trendy street jackets, casual t-shirts, racing suits, hats, and rare seasonal costumes. Simply select any apparel category, highlight the exact clothing item you want to wear, and press the Accept button to equip it instantly. Once you are fully satisfied with your fresh new look, hit the Save button to lock in the outfit and head back out to the festival streets to show off your unique style to other players online. Subscribe the channel for more videos.